Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to buy Ton on Tonkeeper. To do this, please follow these easy steps. First you need to open the Tonkeeper app, and right here you can see that we're on our Ton wallet. And right here you're going to look for buy and sell. Buy and sell can be found here, and we're going to tap on it. And now in order to buy Ton, you have lots of options. We can decide to click on show all, and you can decide to choose any which you prefer. We're going to click on Transact to buy Ton. And if you're doing this for the first time, you may have this pop-up, which you can decide to tick the box not to show again. We're going to click on Buy Ton right now. And here, depending on your currency, you're going to have to put in the amount you'd like to buy. You're also going to see the total fees and the rate of Ton you will get based on how much you put initially. Then when it comes to the payment method, you have different payment methods here, such as Apple Pay, GPay, and Visa to name a few. You can select Visa, and then you're going to click on Buy Now. And then right here, you will need to put in your email address for verification and correspondence. After that's done, you can click on Continue and proceed to the next step, where you can buy Ton on Tonkeeper. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.